Hello, I'm Allie.
I'm Kenna.
Today,
We're gonna make pasta with avocado sauce.
yep, and it's gonna be delicious and
Healthy.
healthy and easy. So let's just
Get started. For this recipe, you'll need 12 ounces of pasta, 2 ripe avocados halved, a half cup fresh basil leaves, 2 cloves garlic, 2 tablespoons freshly squeezed lemon, kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper, a 1/3 cup olive oil, a cup cherry tomatoes, and a half cup canned corn
boil
kernel.
your water for your pasta. Add a pinch of salt for flavor. The 4 halves of avocado and put them into the food processor. Cut the cloves of garlic and put them in the food processor. Slightly cut your basil and add it to the avocados and garlic. Put your pasta in the water and let it 2 tablespoons into the food processor. You'll get there eventually. While you're blending it, take off the lid and add a little bit of olive oil. Now that you have all your ingredients in, add a little salt and pepper for taste. And once you've done that, just blend the mixture.
I can't trust you.
Next, cut a couple of tomatoes to add to the final pasta. Make sure you've drained your pasta, and once you've done that, put it back into your pot on low heat and add your avocado sauce. And just mix it up. Add your tomatoes to your pasta as well as your half a cup of corn, and then just mix that up.
Now you have your finished product and you can add a little basil or a little salt and pepper and
While
enjoy.
we've been making our pasta, we're also making sweet potato fries. So just peel your sweet potatoes and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Sweet potato fries, just cut them into the shape you desire. We're doing fries, but you can do circles like chips. Lightly drizzle some olive oil over your sweet potato fries. And then add salt and pepper. And we're just adding some rosemary, as well as garlic salt. Just mix your seasonings around. Evenly distribute. And then we're gonna put them in the oven for
About 15 minutes, and then halfway in between, check them and turn them over to make sure they're all cooking on each side. And then you can test the tenderness and the crispiness and see how much longer you would like them in. So when you're thinking that your sweet potatoes are how you like them, just go ahead and take them out, set them on the table. They should be crispy and tender. And then you can sprinkle a little more salt or a little more pepper or however you like for taste. And just you can dip them in ketchup or a garlic aioli sauce or anything you desire.
I wish I could say what I'm feeling. I'm scared to let these words out. Don't.
So that's our video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments or want to suggest something for our next video, just go ahead and comment that down below and subscribe.
Yes, and just a side note, we wanted to use avocado sauce instead of pesto as a healthy alternative, and we're also using whole grain linguine instead of white noodles. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, just like
Let us
and
know.
comment. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.